Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. I want to go ahead and share a couple more projects with you using the Globeland things that I had received. So if by chance you missed out on that unboxing video or the first video where I did some shares, I will have those linked for you so you can go ahead and check them out. I also have a coupon code for you as well. That'll be down in the description box so you can go ahead and save on your purchase. They have deals and steals all the time. Great products. I have had a fun time playing around with them when I can and stuff. So yeah, let's get all that housekeeping out the way. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. Would absolutely love if I can make my goal this year of hitting 3K or more. I mean, go ahead and tell all your friends, it's okay. And then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. All right, ready, set, let's go. So the first thing I have to share with you guys is using more of the stamps here. These are different sentiments. We have like the big versions of the happy, love, and friend. And then, you know, there's the additional things like feel better soon, which is what I'm trying to do as we speak. And, you know, you did it every day. Congratulations, so on and so forth. So I did play with this a little bit more and I created some cards. And you guys know I am not a card maker. It gives me anxiety. I start to get hives and flare up. It's crazy. But I did do a couple things. These are more like postcards. I like doing postcards. That I can do. But very, very simple. I took like the big bold sentiments and then I had fussy cut it out and then I added the additional sentiments. So this one says just for you, love. And I did some stenciling. Like what? I did stenciling? Who? What? I am not a stenciler. Is that a word? It is today. But you know, you become accustomed to doing things when you're laying up in your bed all day. And so watching YouTube videos, I'm like, huh, let me try that. So and what I did was I just added some sporadically, added some of my BGM crystals, Button Galore and More. You guys know that I work with them as well. So I use the green ones, which are called Kiwi. And I also use these pink ones, which are called grapefruit. So these are the grapefruit, and I just spread it out sporadically throughout the card to where I thought it would look cute. And then this one here says just for you, friend. And then I added those green ones on there again. So these are kind of like any occasion type, really quick cards. I was just playing around with things. So there's nothing like fanciful about it. And then I have this one here. This one I used Nouveau drops on. And this one is called Red Berry. I honestly don't know where I got this from. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty much majority of the Nouveau drops that I have, I've received in some type of form of Happy Mail. So, but there's various vendors who sell them. And then this one is Sending Happy Wishes. And again, use the bold happy, fuss to cut it out. And then I alternated with the Nouveau drops, adding on the little peaks of the little triangle portions that I stenciled out. So I thought that turned out pretty cute, right? Like I said, I'm not a huge card maker. Don't hold it against me. Please still love me. The end. All right, so that is what I did with that. And then the only other thing that I did was using those little bag topper type of deal things again. I love these. These are super cute, and at the end of the day, I don't always send big things or package them like that. So having like some small little bag toppers, or even if I can put them on a thing. Now you guys know I have been laying up, resting, so I have not done like some full-blown big projects yet. I'm still not there, and I know I said I was gonna come back and do some bow tutorials. I'm just not there yet, so bear with me. I'm gonna get there. Don't take away my crafty VIP card. You know, I worked hard for that. But I did do some of these. I think these turned out so stinking cute. Now this is using the 31 collection from last year. Frank Garcia's partners up, you know, with Prima, and this was a big hit last year for Halloween. And so I took those and did these little toppers. I think these are so adorable. Like, aren't these cute? So this one says pumpkins. I also used Nouveau drops on this one. I think this one's called bubblegum. It's not in my reach right now for me to show you guys. But I did some paper tearing and I ruffled it up in the background. I added some Nouveau drops to the ephemera, or the chipboard piece here. Added a little pumpkin on there. And then this one has the little chipboard cat and it says candy. So you have some of the little grotesque candy corn. You guys know I absolutely cannot stand candy corn. Oh my god, gross. And the little potion bottle, and then I did add some Nouveau drops and also some glossy accents to the candy corn as well, just to kind of make that pop a little bit. And then I have this one here that says Book of Magic. But this one here, I also did like the paper tearing. You can see like the ruffles down there with the little cat here as well. And then lastly, we have this one. We have the ghost chilling, floating around the back, you know, look like it's doing some backstrokes. And it says Happy Halloween. So really, really cute. I really like how these came out. I definitely want to make more of these because they are absolutely adorable, and I actually don't have much left of this collection, so to kill it, and this will be a great way to kill this collection for me too, that would be absolutely awesome. So that is all I have for this video today. Sorry I don't have more for you. Again, do not take away my crafty VIP card. I worked hard for that. Please just come back for my antics, shenanigans, and personality. That would be fantastical. But if you guys enjoyed everything that you saw in today's video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Be nice to your girl. Come back and see me. I'm always here for you. Always. Alright then guys, make sure you check out everything in the description box for Globeland, and also check out that discount code to save on your next purchase. Until next time friends, bye!